Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys once again. And in this video I'm going to be creating this eyeshadow look with you guys. So now come closer, let's do this together. So it's good to see you guys once again. And in this video, like I said, we're going to be doing that eyeshadow look. But before then, I'm using this paper tape at my angle, the angle of my eyes, because I'm trying to create a definition of where I want the eyeshadow to stop. I want to give it a kind of wing kind of eyeshadow look. So yeah, just secure your paper tape there and let's go in with our eyeshadow. This is my Magic eyeshadow palette and I'm starting with the blue color. I'm just going to take a lot of blue and just paste it at the inner cut crease of my eyes. Just keep doing that, and at the same time remember to blend as you're doing it. So right now I'm taking a clean brush just to buff out the edges of the eyeshadow to give it like a light effect, like a fading effect, and it's going to come out looking kind of lemon green, if I'm not wrong. It's having this kind of lemon kind of look. So just buff out. Once you're done, I took my cutting board, and on the cutting board I sprayed my setting spray on it so that I can use it to take off excess eyeshadow from the base of my eyelid and create a definition of a cut crease. Can you see that? So now after then I'm going with my Tara eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to use that to define the cut crease well. After that, I'm going to be using a light blue, like a sky blue kind of color. I'm going to use it to define that cut crease. Can you see that? So after defining the cut crease, I'm still going to go back in again with my cutting board that has a setting spray on it, just to clean and give another inner cut crease that will fall after the sky blue. And also I'm going to use my eyeshadow base from Tara again. Now I'm going to go in with my color for the inner cut crease, which is yellow. I'm going in with yellow right now. Oh my god, you guys are going to love this look. So I'm going to pack a lot of yellow and go in with the yellow color, moving. So after the yellow color, I'm going to go in with this green. This looks like a lemongrass kind of green, but I love this green. Just use it and remember to blend in. It's very important to blend in so you don't have harsh edge or lines. So just blend in very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw my eyeliner and do the other eye. The same process, the blue, bluff out the edges, then go in with your cut crease with the cutting board, and you can use spirits, you can use Vaseline. And this is the finished look. So nice, so lovely and clean. Can you guys see the angle I was trying to get at the end of the eyeshadow? So this is the foundation I'll be using for this look. It's Texture 507. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and add my foundation, skin work, my contour highlights, my bronzer, and this is the final look. If you want to see how I do my skin work, I have a video. I can link it up for you to see how I do my skin work. Hope you guys love this look. If you do at this point, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.